Want to switch to Consumer Cellular and keep your current phone number? This is called porting in. First, make sure your Consumer Cellular account is active and you're in good standing with your current carrier, meaning no outstanding bills. You'll need your current carrier's account number, PIN, or the last four digits of your SSN for verification. Also, ensure your phone is a compatible unlocked GSM phone, as Consumer Cellular doesn't directly support CDMA carriers like Verizon without an intermediate step. Request the port in via the Consumer Cellular website or app and activate the SIM card they send you. While the FCC mandates this should take 1 to 2 business days, delays can happen, so be patient. If you're leaving Consumer Cellular, you'll need to port your number out. Contact your new carrier to start the process. Consumer Cellular is required to release your number within 24 hours. If you run into trouble, double-check that you don't have any unpaid bills with Consumer Cellular and that you've provided the correct account details to your new carrier. Consumer Cellular also offers a troubleshooting tool in their app to help diagnose issues. For further assistance, you can contact the FCC's Porting Complaint Portal or Consumer Cellular's 24/7 support chat. Remember, most issues can be resolved within 48 hours if your account is clear and the information is correct.